you're doing?
Literally press that on.
So do you know what it is you're doing?
Huh?
You know what it is you're doing?
Yeah.
What is it?
K row.
Yep.
75, 75. And then 750 row and then 500 row. 3 rounds. 150 dumbbells after each row.
What, 3 rounds?
Yeah. Well, no, I was in like a 1K row,
Yeah.
750 row, and then a 500 row. After each row, this is 150 skips.
Oh right, hang on.
So get on that, get off it, get on that, get off it, get on that.
So 1,000 metre row, 75 double unders, 750 metre row, 75 double unders, 500 metre row, 75 double unders. That's it.
Yeah, well, 150.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Would you, like, if you were doing this, would you just place it for like 1K?
100%. So
Spend 30 seconds getting off the
so you need to right now. Yeah, 3. Yeah, the 3's fine for your size of feet. What I would say to you is this:
I did my drag factor thing before.
keep it on 7, pace it. So you probably want to be sitting between the 150 and 2 minute mark, pacing it out. Just there, slow and say, because
You want to be transitioning.
nice transition phase. This needs to be just as fast as your 500 meter, and then your last 500 meters, because then you've still got to do 150 fucking double unders or 150 singles. Sorry. So you don't want to be coming off that like fucking dangling everywhere. You want to be like.
You race 30 seconds.
Your last 50 metres, you're almost off the gas thinking about your next move. So don't go balls out with it unless you've got it in the tank. Right. Okay, I'm going to activate timer. So, 5, 4, go. Yeah, that's good, mate. Nice. Good. Good power. Nice. 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 So 1 minute 5 in, 290 meters down. That's it, mate. Keep going. Good pace, mate. Nice. Maintain that. That's really good, mate. Nice. Good long strokes. Nice. That's it, mate. Nice. That's it, mate. Don't forget to breathe. Good. Nice. Good pace, mate. Good pace. Keep it going. That's it, mate. Really good work. Let's keep this going. Keep that momentum. Keep that pace. Really good stuff. Nice, mate. Nice. It's really good. That's nice. Nice. Keep it going. Keep it going. 250 to go, 250 to go, 250 to go. Come on, let's maintain that 2-minute pace, come on. Good, 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 come on. Come on, 150 left. Come on, keep that pace, keep that power. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. 100 meters left. Almost there. Okay, last 50, let's think about slowing down recovery. Recovery, ready for the next one. Ready for the next one. Ready for the transition. Almost there, last 10. Yep, you're in. That's it, mate, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Keep it going, keep it going. Good pace, stay on that same momentum. So mate, really good stuff, really good stuff. Good, 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 good. Get yourself set up. Straight into it, straight into it, straight into it, come on. Let's go then, 750, here we go, 750, here we go. Let's get that 2-minute pace, 2-minute pace, let's find it. Let's find that pace. Good. Come on, let's find that 2-minute pace. That's the one, there we go, there we go. That's it. Keep it to 155, 2 minutes. Come on. Good. Good power strokes, long and through, good stuff. Good. That's it, nice mate, nice, come on. A little bit quicker, a little bit quicker. More power in there mate, it's good stuff. Nice buddy, nice, come on. You got this. Good stuff mate, let's keep this going, well done. Come on. Come on, really good stuff, let's maintain this. That's 205, come on, keep it going. Come on, almost there. That's halfway, come on. That's halfway. Keep on that pace, that 2-minute pace, come on. Keep on that 2-minute pace. That's it, good, there we are, there we are. Just maintain that. Maintain that, that's really good mate, come on. Really good, maintain that, good. Excellent work mate, keep that going. That's 500 reach, 250 left, come on. Come on, maintain that sub 2 minutes, come on, sub 2 minutes. Come on, you got this. That's it buddy, come on, good strokes, come on, maintain that technique, come on. Keep that power going through, come on. Come on, 150 left, 150 left. Come on. Let's do it. Come on, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, pick it up, pick it up. Come on. That's it, it's really good. Last 100 meters, come on. Good, come on, last 100 meters. Okay, last 50, here we go. Last 50, think about recovery now. Think about your recovery. Think about the transition. Recovery and transition, recovery and transition. Okay, come, let's go. Nice, mate, nice. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Back into it. Let's go. Just think about it. Compose, compose. That's it. Good stuff. Nice one, mate. Nice one. It's alright. Just compose that movement. That's it. There you are. Nice and composed. Excellent work. Just maintain that now. There you are. Now you're on it. Now you're on it. Now you're on it. It's really good work, mate. Let's keep it going. Okay, last 500 now. Okay, let's get that 2 minutes now, come on. Get back into that 2 minute space. Come on, that's it, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, come on. Let's get that 2 minute space. There we are, that's where we need to be. Maintain that, maintain this. Maintain this. Good, come on, keep that 2 minute pace. Good. Come on. Come on. It's really good work, mate. Let's keep this going. Good work. Keep this pace going. Same pace all the way through. This is excellent work, mate. Excellent work. Come on. Come on. You got this. Come on. You got this. Halfway. Let's go now. Come on. Halfway. Come on, bro. Keep it going. Last 200. Come on. Come on, let's keep that 2 minute pace. Let's keep that 2 minute pace. Come on, let's keep that 2 minute pace. Keep that 2 minute pace going. Come on. Okay, last 100 now. Let's increase it. Last 100. Last 100. That's it. Last 100. Come on. Don't break that 2 minute pace. Come on, let's go, let's go. Big pull. Good, big pull. Good, big pull. Come on, last 50 now. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Big pull. A few final pulls. Good. Yep. Compose, mate, compose, compose, compose. Good. Compose. 3.5 minutes left on the clock. That's it. Come on, mate. Come on, big JB. Let's do it. compose. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on. Two and a half minutes to go. Come on. Let's beat the clock. Compose, mate, compose. Slow it down if you need to. Think about the movement. You got it. There you are. There you are. How many left? Come on. Done. So just press the stop recording, yeah?